Hi everyone, thanks for coming and listening to us. My name is Matt, and these are my partners Tony and Bo. We are Corvidae Technology, and we provide autonomous UAV solutions. UAV stands for Unmanned Air Vehicle, or commonly called drones, such as these guys right here. The three of us are finishing up our computer science master's degree at HKU, and our fourth team member is Dr. Roberts, who's in the engineering faculty here and is our technical advisor. Now, last year, we entered the DJI Developer Challenge, and where we successfully implemented a fully automatic search and rescue mission system with a UAV. We ended up coming in the top 15 in the world, so we are a proven and successful team. Now, I've mentioned we offer UAV, automated UAV solutions. So the UAV industry in general is exploding. People are buying quadcopters to fly for toys, and businesses are starting to use them for a variety of commercial reasons. One such application is wind turbine inspections. Now, traditionally, to inspect a wind turbine, a human technician is sent up the wind tower on a rope. This procedure is very dangerous, it's expensive, and it's very time-consuming. Now, our solution is to implement the same inspection with a fully automated UAV. So our drone will fly around the blades, take video for analysis for potential defects later. And our process saves money, it saves time, and it's much safer. And with that, I'll turn it over to Tony for more detail.
Thanks, Matt. What Corvidae does is easy to understand. We have an inspection system on top of our drone, and there is a web-based management system to manage all your tasks. The entire workflow is like that. The drone departs from a ground station and moves around the target according to your operation plan. And the damage detection and the monitoring and analytics can be drawn from those captured images and videos. And then the drone flies back to the ground station or collected by our delivery truck, and we charge for the next operation. Eventually, the managers can schedule the maintenance time and use the report for auditing through our web portal. So right now, we are confident to show you our layout of web portal, which is our first prototype. Oops. We have a statistic page to show you the big picture of all of our operation and task. And the task management, the workflow system, and the report view is used to help you to organize and automate your workflow efficiently and smoothly. And then we have a simulation. And this prototype is really good. And this inspection helps you to understand what we are doing. And right now, let's invite Bo to introduce the marketing strategy.
Thank you, Tony. The reason we want to focus on wind turbine inspections is because we find great opportunities in the wind power industry. Look at this graph. The global wind power capacity grew by 24 times from 2000 to 2015. And according to a PwC report, the wind turbine inspection by UAVs is going to be a $6 billion industry by 2024. And let's look at globally. China has 1/3 of global market, and we want to target it and make it belong to ours because we are the first mover in this industry. And one important message we want to deliver is we are more than an idea. We are developing our real products, and we have been growing our connections in this industry. We talk to the world's largest wind blade supplier, Air and Wind Power, and China's second largest wind turbine supplier, Envision Energy. They show great interest in our product and provide us with a lot of useful information, including the top 3 issues the blades may have. For example, the wrinkle and separation caused by fiberglass fatigue. And the second issue is the icing of blades of sensors. And the last one is the burning and broken caused by lightning, because the tower is very high, usually like 200 meters high. And last but not least is our milestones. So we registered company in December last year, and we are going to deliver our first product in November this year. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Why would the wind turbine manufacturer buy from you? Why couldn't they develop this solution themselves?
For those wind turbine companies, I don't think they want to do this because they want to focus on their blades, their towers instead of doing so.
Do you know, or
yeah? We talked to the.
Because I know.
You know.
I came from GE.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And I'm just asking, have you talked to any of these manufacturers? Because this is a big problem.
Yeah,
we send people up there and we do the inspection. It costs money, and if I, as GE, I can develop that myself, I will do it.
Yeah.
Because what you show is just the portal, your flight path, your timing. You do not have anything that is related to the wind turbine itself.
Because actually, RM Wind is acquired by GE last year, right? So actually, you only RM Wind only produce the blades. We talked to another one who install all this stuff, which is Evasion Energy. Actually, they have several systems to inspect with some drones to inspect the blades, but it's only using some pilots will control the drone to fly the pattern. What we are developing is a fully autonomous UAV system, which means it can fly by itself, inspect the blades by itself, and tell what problems the blades may have.
I guess my question is the content of your inspection. What you provide is the flight and the control. The actual inspection, the content of the inspection is the key, right? I want to find out, you need the expertise in terms of what is a flaw, what is a problem, which you do not have.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
So our first phase is to do the video. So you're right, the control and the autonomous part is our key, and it'll take video to be analyzed by a technician later. But the next step is to implement kind of more machine learning, and as we get more and more data, which we don't have access to yet, but the machine learning and analyzing the computer vision processing to find those defects is our next phase.
So I just want to know is that you don't have the engineer to train to be the pilots of the drone, is that right? So it's all automatic?
Yes.
So he just starts the process and the drone will come back. So he has, so the benefit is for the maintenance company, they don't have to train the engineers to do the control, is that right?
Yes, that's correct. And another benefit is you can have multiple UAVs inspecting the different wind turbines all at once. So that's an additional savings.
So besides the video cam, what are those other instruments you put onto the drones?
We have put a laser rangefinder to help with terrain following, so it can stay the same height above a changing terrain. Currently, DJI's software measures height above ground based on where it takes off. So the laser rangefinder will, if it goes up a mountain, it will stay at a similar height above the mountain. We have obstacle avoidance capability, so we have a few ultrasonic sensors coupled with stereo cameras that are able to avoid obstacles that come into the path of the UAV.
So also the drums has the visual intelligence. He understands where all the how to say this, the blades are.
Yes.
And
so
they decided the routing.
Yeah, so first we anticipate using the GPS location to get to where, say, a wind turbine is, and then it'll use computer vision to recognize the layout of the blades and the orientation.
Can you replace with, can you remove all the human intervention of the inspections? That means nobody need to go climb up to the wind turbine anymore?
For the inspection part, yes, that's the goal, is to do all the inspections with the UAV autonomously. For replacement and repair, still a human engineer is needed. But typically, during typical inspections, the human has to go inspect the blade, whether or not they know there's a defect.
So this current inspection is only based on the visual inspection, is it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.